Hello everyone. So I have got a student today in Indore. He has got recommended for NDA 150 course. He is all India rank 113. Interesting part is he is a captain of सैनिक स्कूल घोड़ाखाल. वो सैनिक स्कूल जिसका नाम टॉप नॉच सैनिक स्कूल्स में गिना जाता है. So as he came to Indore for meeting me, bringing sweets, we had a great celebration in the ongoing workshop. I just requested him that if he can share his experience, because see, every recommended candidate, has got some or the other different kind of an experience. So we always get some learning with that. Although even I say that even those candidates who didn't get recommended, learning comes from them also, right? But since I've got Aman Singh today in Indore, so all yours, Aman, I request you share about your journey, how you went to Sainik school, from where do you belong, what motivated you. In fact, there is a very great motivation. I remember you told me in interview how you got motivated for Sainik school, Godakhal, right? Then subsequently your journey in Sainik school in brief. Then I want you to highlight, how you became school captain. Because to all I'll tell, becoming school captain is same like as becoming chief of army staff in Fauj, right? Though I'm not comparing that to designation, just a point what I'm trying to tell. School captain in Sainik school is one of the prestigious designations, I'll say. So how you reach to that particular zenith. Subsequently, first attempt being in 12th class, September वाला attempt NDA का written qualify करा. Any teacher that who has helped you, especially in your school. Then obviously how you came in Indore. Then your journey in SSB. I want you to share everything right from the beginning, right?
Yes.
All yours.
Thank you, sir. As sir mentioned, my name is Aman Singh. I hail from Agra. First, talking about the source of motivation that I got to join Sainik school. First of all, I would like to tell you all that I belong from a civil background. None of my family members have been to any armed forces. So it's an honor for me that will be the first member of my family to be in the armed forces. So that is something my family is really proud of me. Now talking about the source of motivation, the source of motivation for me was my father. My father initially tried to be a part of this prestigious organization that is Sainik School Godakhal, but he couldn't make it. So as soon as I took birth, my father always told me about the sorts of the various, I would say, sorts of life that army officer live. So that always reminded me, and it always motivated me to join armed forces. From since then, I took a coaching in Junjunu, which is a place in Rajasthan, to clear the Sainik school examination. Then I cleared the exam, and then I got admission in Sainik school Godakhal. Sainik school Godakhal may be a normal Sainik. It may sound a normal Sainik school to you, but truly talking to me, it's like a paradise. Throughout these 7 years, the friends that I have made, it's not less than brothers. And this school has taught me everything. What I am today, it is due to my family efforts, due to, I would say, small efforts due to from my teachers as well, and apart from me, my efforts too. This school has wonderful teachers, wonderful faculty, as well as the source of administration they are having. They always motivate us, and it is inevitable to be known that the source of history that our school have. It has won the most number of Raksha Mantri trophy, and it's a matter of pride for us that this year also we are bagging the Raksha Mantri trophy for it. And
Sorry to interrupt, but we need to even tell what is Raksha Rajamantri trophy.
Yes.
जो लोग सैनिक स्कूल से नहीं हैं, those who are from civil background, Raksha Rajamantri trophy is the you can say kind of an award which has been given to one of the सैनिक schools out of the total सैनिक schools who is on top in context of sending boys to the NDA. Like अभी हमारे पास करीब 35 के आसपास सैनिक schools हैं, तो जिस भी सैनिक स्कूल से सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे NDA में जाएंगे, that सैनिक school gets Raksha Rajamantri trophy. So that is, you can say, first position among all सैनिक schools, right? So this is the school which has got maximum number of Raksha Rajamantri. Good.
And due to the as many of our students have been to NDA, we have an organization called Old Boys Organization. So it is also helpful for us, particularly for boys from the Sainik School Godakhal. You are also known as Godakhalians, to be for the longer run in life. So being a part of this great institution has always helped me till now, and I am 100% sure that it will definitely help me in the future times too. Now talking about particularly focusing on class 12th, Becoming a school captain from class 6th onwards, I would not say that it was a dream for me, but I believe that in order to achieve a aim, first of all you should divide a aim in 3 or 4 parts. Not 3 or 4, it depends upon you. First of all, I think you should make some objectives and try to achieve them one by one. And subsequently, I believe that after overcoming those objectives, you will be able to achieve your main target. So yes, I always try to be give my 100% effort in whichever task I took part in it. I tried to be good in academics, and apart from that, as I mentioned earlier, I would say around 12,000 students appear for Sainik School examination. Only I would say 60 of them got selected in my time. So all the 60 most of them have a quality that I imbibed from them, and this is I would say this is an example that you guys can also set up, that we need to learn from others too, and that's what I did. I believe I accepted those things that there are some certain things where I was not good at. I learned those things from my classmates. They are also a source of learning from me. And apart from that, I learned those things. I inculcate those habits. I listen to my teachers as well as to my seniors. Seniors term is not likely that what we heard in the engineering schools. I'm not talking about any specific, but senior, particularly in armed forces, it contains a deep meaning. Talking about seniors are more than an elder brother, I would say. In academy, I will be joining National Defence Academy. There will be many seniors to me, so they are more like an elder brother to me. They will be teaching me various other things, so that they told me I inculcate those habits. And
in fact, I will highlight here one more very interesting part, especially about Sainik School Ghodakhal. I had been to 12 different Sainik schools, ranging from Sainik School Nagrota in Jammu to Sainik School Amravati in Tamil Nadu, then to Gujarat, Balachedi, to Gopalganj in Bihar. Every Sainik school has got their own tradition, but इनके स्कूल की बहुत मज़ेदार बात मैं आप सबको बताता हूँ. इनके स्कूल में ना जो सीनियर होता है, he is not called as sir, he is known as भाई साहब. Right? For example, he is just 17-18 years old, right? Now, if he is interacting with somebody who has passed out from Sainik School Ghodakhal, and even he is a senior officer in armed forces, तो ये उनको सर नहीं बुलाते हैं, इनको भाई साहब करके बुलाते हैं. That tradition is amazing, I'll say. मतलब मज़ा आ जाता है वो सुन के. चाहे वो 10वीं क्लास का बच्चा 12वीं वाले को बुलाएगा, या जो इसके जूनियर्स हैं वो बड़ी इज्जत से तहजीब से भाई साहब करके बुलाते हैं. So such kind of our Indian culture is rarely found now, and that is something which I really admire about their Sainik School Ghodakhal. तो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लगती है उसमें.
So this is the habit which is also, I would say, praised by our school authority as well. They don't want us to call our senior sir. They want to keep that there is a feeling that we Ghodakhalian feels by calling our seniors by sir.
Exactly, that's great. So coming to this NDA written exam, you qualified in the first attempt. In fact, I want to highlight you all that since he is the one जिसने 12th में रहते हुए NDA clear करा, तो लोग बहुत सारी एंट्री से फौज में जाते हैं. People go through CDA, SAFCAT, so many other entries. Even after your 12th class, people go through TES, Army and Navy BTech. पर सैनिक स्कूल में रहते हुए 12th में क्लियर करने का मज़ा ही अलग है. रीज़न मैं आपको बताता हूँ. 12th में रहते हुए बंदा क्लियर करता है. Let's say his SSB scheduled in the month of December. तुम्हारी कब थी? You were Jan. So once he got recommended in Jan, he got recommended from AFSB Gandhinagar. When a chap is coming back to the school, तो वो जो remaining time होता है ना till March, वो राजा बन के जीता है. मतलब जो इज्जत मिलती है ना सैनिक स्कूल में, हर किसी से जो पहले हमारे अगेंस्ट था, वो तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता. वो क्या मुझे बता था तो एक दिन कर लिया. वो इज्जत एक लेवल ही अलग है. That taste is absolutely different in life. मज़े की चीज़ ये है, जब रिकमेंड हो गया, पता है NDA जाना है, तो he will tell you what is the target for that boys. हम कहते हैं 90% लाना है, ये लाना है, वो लाना है. उनके लिए टारगेट कितना होता है जो 12th पास कर लेते हैं?
Once you got recommended and your medicals are clear, the aim of every individual in Sainik School who has cleared the SSB, his aim is to score just 33% in 12th boards examination.
वो मज़े लेता है, बोले 33% लाना है, that's it. Because for him, whether he bring 93 or 33, he is the same. He will be going for NDA. Although we are not saying the aim should be 33, it's just in a lighter mode. I am telling you, he got yesterday the result of 12th board exam has come. He's got 83%, right? All yours. SSB के लिए कैसे क्या थोड़ा सा how you develop yourself, what qualities you had. He came to Indore in the workshop. या इंदौर का कैसे पता लगा था? Then I'm sure along with you, which other Sainik school? Rewari wale the.
Rewari.
We have got the students from Sainik School Rewari, which is a newly opened Sainik school in Haryana. That boys were also there. Nishant, Adarsh,
Nikhant others.
और ये दीपक एंड सचिन चिराग, और इसके स्कूल के भी बहुत सारे बच्चे मेरे पास आए थे. एंड ऑल योर्स. बाकी तो एसएसबी की जर्नी, हाउ यू केम हियर, क्या क्या करा, देन एएफएसबी में क्या क्या हुआ, यू नो. दो इज अ स्कूल कैप्टन, बट यार एंग्जाइटी हर बंदे में होती है, नर्वसनेस हर किसी में होती है, चाहे हम कितने बड़े 30 मान खान क्यों नहीं हो. राइट, ऑल योर्स. क्या रहा, कैसे रहा फिर?
As I mentioned earlier, due to my many Bhaisabs, once I cleared the written examination, I asked them that what sort of coaching I should go in to get what actually SSB is. Because learning through YouTube and in practically knowing the deep meaning of SSB is actually two different things. So many of my Bhaisabs, I would say most of them suggested Ankit Pal sir. And that's why I took this decision that I will definitely be going to Ankit Pal sir for the workshop. And from then, me along with my 5 classmates went to Indore, and from there we took the SSB workshop. And the thing that we got to know, as most of all of us were appearing for the SSB for the first time, we were not knowing a single thing about SSB, because before clearing the written exam, our main focus was to clear about the examination part. But after the examination part, we didn't knew a single thing about SSB. So sir taught us about everything about SSB and what sort of, I would say, not a trick, but how to handle the tricky questions, how to handle tough situations that we face in SSB. And sir, as we know that we Godakhalians know, apart from Godakhalians, many other know that what sort of experience sir has. Sir himself is also recommended around 4 times, so he know what actually, how to crack a SSB. In simple words, I would say how to crack a SSB if you have those certain qualities. So sir told us various way to how we can show the qualities, because one of the major problem for an aspirant is that despite of having qualities, he not able to showcase them. So due to sir guidance, we were able to showcase our personality and various ways, such as practice such as word stealing. And word stealing is a practice which I, after passing out from school, I told them about many to my juniors that they should inculcate those habits, as and they should take it as a habit, because it will help them to increase their fluency level too. And
even like when he came to the workshop, we had, you know, what we do is that we keep a small batch of people so that everybody should be individually assessed. तो मैं आपको एक चीज़ मुझे याद आ रही है, share with everyone, and a point of it, a piece of advice to everyone who is preparing for SSB. He is from Agra and he was going for the Air Force SSB. Now, Agra is having an Air Force station which is one of the very important one. You know, आप जिस जगह को belong करते हो, आपको वहाँ पता होना चाहिए कौन से military establishments हैं, what all are there. Initially he was not aware. और क्यों पता होना चाहिए? Reason is that is a part of your self-awareness, which is very important for any of the leader, right? So I told him to collect knowledge about Agra also, because Agra has got transport aircrafts, AN-32 squadron है, शायद IL-76 की भी है, तो पता होनी चाहिए basic बातें. ऐसी information नहीं, which is something confidential, but the something which is easily available and it is a common information which is not a threat in context of, you know, security issue. वो पता होना चाहिए. And एक और बात मैं आपको बताता हूँ, जब आप एयरफोर्स की फ्लाइंग ब्रांच के लिए जाते हो, a very important question comes to you people in interview: which aircraft you want to fly and why? Now general trend is anybody going to the SSB, AFSB, so Rafale. Why? Reason ही नहीं होता. तो initially I even told them what are fighters, transport and helicopters. Out of them he chose Mi-17. जब तीनों के बारे में बताया, क्योंकि एक बात मैं आपको हाईलाइट करना चाहता हूँ, when it comes to Air Force, it is not only fighter aircrafts. There is an equal importance of transport and helicopters also, right? They are not at all secondary or supportive type. Everybody has got their role. There are some of the roles which fighter can never execute, only helicopters can execute, or vice versa is also there. So out of them he chose Mi-17 fifth version, and I want you to highlight that question also. Although we had done a lot of things in site practice, because I individually assessed site sheet, GTO ground we went everybody's individual feedback. We have done 20 plus GDs and all. वो सब तो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा बातें करना. But I want specially to highlight these people कि वो क्या question था and how you take it. And जो लोग आर्मी के लिए जा रहे हैं, आपको पूछता है if you get commission, which arms you would like to join and why. So go prepared, because today it's an era of technology, it's an era of information. So you should be well updated with the things. Make sure this thing passion to join any organization is not reflected with your words. People say, no, I'm passionate, this. Your actual passions are reflected with your knowledge and action. So being from Sainik School or being from an NCC or being from a military background, it is must that you should have basic knowledge. क्या question था वो?
So before going to the SSB, the sir took my interview and he asked the same question that which aircraft would you like to fly? And I believe that anyone who is going to appear for the AFSB, he will definitely hear this question that which aircraft do you want to fly? So initially I told that I want to fly Rafale, but sir give me an advice that if you want to get recommended, just don't try to be a part of a group, because if I would say around 20 candidates are going for an interview, most of them will say either Rafale, Mirage. But I thought that my answer should be a different answer as well as my approach. So I took that Mi-17 will be my aircraft, and I was 100% sure that this question will be asked in my interview too. So when my interview came in SSB, I gave as I was giving my interview, the interviewer asked me the same question that which aircraft do you want me to fly. So I told him that Mi-17. He asked me various questions regarding that. It's from which country, what it is, max speed, its rotor lift, its breadth, its height. I had studied the whole helicopter, so I was knowing about basic things about the helicopter. The same question was asked to me in the conference. It was the only question which was asked to me in the conference.
Conference में पूछा गया?
Yes, this was the question.
और interview में आया था?
Yes, it was asked in both interview and conference.
Actually, although I don't mean to say that कि आप Rafale, Mirage नहीं बोल सकते, बिल्कुल बोलो. If you say Rafale, then your reason should be well defined. You must be able to justify. You will not say Rafale because it is a new aircraft, it's a fifth generation aircraft. फालतू की बातें नहीं करना, ठीक है? Either you must have some specific, like I interestingly एक बात आपको और बताता हूँ. लोग सोचते हैं Rafale is the only best aircraft. It is not like that. Every aircraft has got its own role. ठीक है? जो जैगुआर कर सकता है वहाँ मिराज काम नहीं आएगा. जहाँ मिराज कर सकता है शायद अदर एयरक्राफ्ट विल नॉट बी दैट मच बेनिफिशियल, आई से. या तो आपके पास स्पेसिफिक रीजन हो कि व्हाई दैट एयरक्राफ्ट, राइट? ऐसे ही सट्टे में नहीं चलने का, राइट? तो दैट इज द ओनली पॉइंट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू कैन नॉट से Su-30. यू कैन से, बट देन देयर मस्ट बी अ जेन्युइन रीजन फॉर दैट. लाइक Su-30 इट इज द ओनली एयरक्राफ्ट टू मेक अ कोबरा मूव, राइट? है ना? तो बातें, ये चीजें पता होनी चाहिए आप लोगों को. क्योंकि देखो सैनिक स्कूल में एज ही मेंशन OBA and they got n number of resources in their school. There are always 3 officers posted from all 3 services. Knowledge is expected, यार basic knowledge तो पता हो. इसके अलावा और कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन दैट यू वांट टू शेयर ताकि पता लगे इन लोगों को भी. सैनिक स्कूल के बारे में कुछ पूछा ना?
No, I would say anyone from Sainik School, particularly from Sainik School Society, is going. I think it's a high chance that the interviewer will ask that what sort of mischievous thing you did in the school. So you should be careful answering that question, and sir help me how to answer that question.
ये सैनिक स्कूल वालों को या जो लोग JNV में पढ़े, any boarding school that you have studied, पूछता है tell me one mischievous activity you did, tell me one notorious activity you did, या फिर उसमें twisting करके पूछता है tell me one incident when you were being caught by your principal or vice principal and you were being punished. You were being also asked this question. क्या बोला था फिर?
Told the right thing as a student has to be, I would say, some sort of mischievousness should be there in a student. So that's why we are called a student. We are not called adults. So student must have some mischievousness. So I told him that we used to jump over the fence and we used to go down shop in order to have a sweet meal.
यार मतलब देखो मैं आप सभी को एक और चीज़ बताऊँ. SSB तो ठीक है. Other than SSB I'll tell you. अभी SSB का वर्कशॉप चल रहा है, राइट? उसमें सैनिक स्कूल के बच्चे भी. Other than that also. I told a very simple thing. जहाँ हमारा सोच खत्म होता है वहाँ इनका स्टार्ट होता है. If you all get a chance in life and if you're not from Sainik School, try out that. Go to some Sainik School, visit there for couple of days and try to learn the life of the Sainik School cadets. क्योंकि ये छोटी उम्र में इतने चटकी बन जाते हैं, इंटेलेक्चुअली इतने साउंड होते हैं, मेंटली इतने करेजियस होते हैं, और इनकी जो बॉन्डिंग होती है, दैट ब्रदरहुड कमराडरी जो होती है, उसका लेवल ही एक अलग होता है. I'm telling you. जैसे लोग उड़ाहार के भीमताल जाते हैं, अगर पकड़े जाएगा तो सब पकड़ जाएंगे, कोई नहीं पकड़ाएगा तो कोई नहीं पकड़ाएगा. द काइंड ऑफ कमराडरी दैट दे हैव. और जो इसने बोला ना ये मिस्चीवियस एक्टिविटी नहीं करते स्टूडेंट ही, क्या बात सिंपल है यार. अगर मैं किताब लिखने पे आऊँ ना तो आई कैन अश्योर यू पीपल दैट हर बंदे, हर स्टूडेंट के ऊपर किताब लिखी जा सकती है उसकी मिस्चीवियस एक्टिविटी में. इतनी मिस्चीवियस एक्टिविटीज इन लोगों ने कर रखी होती, बट कुछ ऐसी होती है जो बियॉन्ड लिमिट होती है, डिस्कस नहीं की जा सकती. बट येस, जो कुछ करिए वो आयोग को बिल्कुल बताओ आप. Because if you tell to the IO that no sir I never did any mischievous activity, तो इट मीन्स दैट यू आर लाइंग और यू आर नॉट अवेयर। मतलब अवेयर तो सब होते हैं, सिंपल बात है, तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो। सैनिक स्कूल में रह के किसी ने कोई उल्टी हरकत ही नहीं करी तो वो सैनिक स्कूल का कहलाने लायक ही नहीं है। मेक श्योर दिस थिंग एंड देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग टू टेल यस सर आई डिड यार। कहीं तो करी 12वीं तक स्कूल में नहीं मस्ती करोगे, पंगे लोगे तो कहाँ लोगे जिंदगी में यार। यू नो दे आर लुकिंग एट इंटीग्रिटी ऑल्सो, ठीक है। तो यही सेम ऐसे ही बताया था। वैसे आप थोड़ी हाई डिग्री की बता सकते हो, पर बदतमीजी मत बताने को करी होती है ना। बट किसी के टायर का हवा निकाल दिया, वो ऐसे कदर भी सब ठीक है, बट बताना मत। बट अदर देन दैट मिस्चीवियस एक्टिविटीज यू कैन डेफिनेटली टेल। साइट पे कितनी एसआरटी करी थी? जरूरी नहीं है 60 करो, यहाँ क्वांटिटी मैटर नहीं क्वालिटी मैटर करती है। अच्छा एक बात और मैं आपको हाईलाइट करना चाहता हूँ, सिंस ही इज अ स्कूल कैप्टन ऑफ सैनिक स्कूल घोड़ाकाल, आई वांट टू make it very clear that some people have a myth that anybody coming from Sainik school will get recommended without even performing, or any Remcollian, I mean Remcollian means RIMC के जो cadets आते हैं वो तो ऐसे ही recommend हो जाते हैं। Let me tell you, कोई भी ऐसे ही recommend नहीं होता, they have to equally perform, right? Now people say why Remcollians get so easily recommended, reason is the time that they have spent in RIMC, which is best schools, one of the best schools in India, the kind of upbringing that they are getting, the way they are being molded as per the requirement of फौज, तो recommend इसलिए होते हैं बहुत आसानी से। बट हाँ लाइक सैनिक स्कूल ऐसा नहीं कि बगैर परफॉर्म करे हो जाते हैं। ही इक्वली हैज पार्टिसिपेटेड इन साइक टेस्ट, he has practiced, he practiced interviews also, he practiced DD also. So I even want to, because I'm sure with you there may be a lot of people from सैनिक स्कूल, मिलिट्री स्कूल, जॉर्जियन जो नहीं भी recommend हुए होंगे। तो जो मिथ है ना लोगों के अंदर कि ऐसे ही रिकमेंड है, इनकी मेहनत की कमाई है, इनको फ्री में कोई लाइसेंस नहीं मिला होता है। तो प्लीज हाईलाइट दैट आल्सो सो दैट पीपल कैन।
I think the reason behind high recommendation in Sainik School and Remcollians are because they are nurtured in such a way. We all know that there are 15 officer-like qualities. One of them are punctuality. Just take an example that a cadet from class 6 to class 12 is every day waking up at 5 o'clock. Is going to PTs till 6:30. After 6:30, he is having his meal from 7:30. From there, he is having his class to 1:30. Then he is having his academic classes. Then his game. So he is having, I would say, a well balanced day, and he is having a balanced diet. He is having, I would say, playing all sorts of games. So, and apart from that, if he is in good in academics, he has good orating skills, and he has the opportunity to become appointment. So he has a quality of leadership, organizing ability. So these qualities are indirectly imbibed into that individual throughout these 7 years. So that is, I think, that is the main reason why people from Sainik school get high recommendation. But it doesn't mean that we will get recommendation if we are from Sainik school. Because I would like to give an example that there was a time in my school only one cadet got recommended from my school, and it's not, I am talking about 10 or 20 years back. Just 2-3 years back, only one cadet from my school. Yes.
In fact, तुम्हारा senior, immediate senior था ना?
Immediate senior.
Actually, how initially you told ना कि he got a reference from one of his senior. तो वो देव प्रताप एक he is from उरई nearby कानपुर, तो वो मेरे पास इंदौर में आया था। He got recommended, he found somewhere our guidance to be productive for him. Then he shared with his juniors and all. तो just एक बैच senior था। देखो उस बैच की strength कितनी थी? How many were written clear at that time?
23.
देखो 23 में से सिर्फ एक बंदा हुआ था recommend, बाकी व्हाट अबाउट 22? कोई ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि फ्री में रेकमेंड कर दिया। मेरा से भी ये कहने का मतलब है कि समटाइम्स आई हैव सीन पीपल पुटिंग अ क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑन द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ सैनिक स्कूल स्टूडेंट ऑफ जॉर्जियन और आरआईएमसी की, तो ऐसे रिकमेंड है। ऐसे कोई रिकमेंड नहीं होते यार, उनकी बहुत मेहनत होती है, ठीक है। दे हैव डन अ ह्यूज एफर्ट्स इन टेलिंग यू। हम तो 9 बजे उठने वाले लोग, दे गेट अप एवरी इन द मॉर्निंग एट 5:30, गो फॉर पीटी एंड मिलिट्री काइंड ऑफ एन एनवायरनमेंट दैट दे आर हैविंग, ठीक है। दे डोंट हैव एक्सेस टू मोबाइल फोन्स एज वी आर इनटू ऑल दैट स्टफ। They are most of the time involved in highly constructive things. Although मोबाइल ये लोग भी रखते हैं। हाँ मैं आपसे कह रहा था ना कि कभी मौका लगे सैनिक स्कूल जरूर जाना, आपको वो एक्सपीरियंसेस मिलेंगे जो हमने कभी सोचे भी नहीं होते हैं। इनकी हाउस में समटाइम दे कॉल इट एज अ डोम इन सम सैनिक स्कूल, सम सैनिक स्कूल कॉल इट एज अ विंग, सम कॉल इट एज अ हाउस। आप इनके हाउस में जाओ, विंग्स में जाओ, आपको कोई प्लग ही नहीं मिलेगा, बट मोबाइल फिर भी चार्ज होता है। एंड आई वांट यू टू हाईलाइट दैट। ऐसी तो कुछ पुरानी बात बता रहा हूँ, मतलब किससे ऐसी हजारों चीजें होती हैं। दे आर नोन एज टू बी चटकी, है ना। हम सोच भी नहीं सकते अवेलेबल कैसे करेंगे रिसोर्सेज, बट ये कर जाते हैं। बट इमेजिन करो प्लग ही नहीं है आपके रूम में, फिर भी मोबाइल चार्ज कैसे होता है?
Sir, every batch has a, I would say, a technician who is expert in all those things.
तुम्हारे बैच में कौन था?
Sir, Ayush.
आयुषी?
Ayush.
अच्छा, ओके।
और भी थे सर, तो प्लग भी नहीं है तो गीजर तो है ही, गीजर भी नहीं है तो
लेकिन
एक्वागार्ड।
गीजर से कैसे? ये मतलब गीजर से चार्जिंग कैसे?
वो तो टेक्नीशियन अपने साथ
टेक्नीशियन, हाँ,
वो
और
तो अपनी क्वालिटी आ जाती है सर। जैसे बल्ब होल्डर होता है, बल्ब होल्डर से बल्ब निकाल के उसमें से एडेप्टर लगा के उसमें
देसी स्टाइल एकदम। और ट्यूबलाइट वाला मैंने सनी स्कूल कपूरथला में देखा था।
हाँ सर,
हाँ?
एक्वागार्ड से अडेप्टिंग टू सिचुएशंस।
मतलब you know this life of Sainik school teach the huge discipline. You go to any Sainik school, you will find the juniors 7th, 8th, 9th class, you know, always doubling in front of the senior. They cannot walk, ना? ये rule, I guess तुम्हारे 10th तक या 9th तक है? 10th तक. I mean, student till class 10th cannot walk in front of the senior. They'll have to double up. I mean, थोड़ा सा jog type करके जाना पड़ेगा. It's a respect. Then subsequently, when they will become senior, they will get the same rule emulated by the juniors. Right, that develop always a sense of respect for the senior and camaraderie among all of them. मतलब ये even मैं कहता हूँ जो बच्चा सैनिक स्कूल में जाके नहीं भी रिकमेंड होता फौज के लिए, he is not joining फौज, he is going for any other profession or not getting recommended for NDA. I feel he is also leader in himself. जो वो 6 साल की मेहनत है ना, वो जिंदगी में की कमाई करी होती है, टैग ऑफ सैनिक स्कूल फैमिली का होना, राइट? अच्छा, और कुछ कॉन्फ्रेंस में और क्या पूछा गया था?
कॉन्फ्रेंस में just one this question that about me 1785 and then how was your stay? Around 40 seconds after my conference.
अच्छा, how was actually your stay?
The food was not good.
Food was not good. अच्छा, मतलब कॉन्फ्रेंस में was also everything was good, but यहाँ अच्छा क्या अच्छा नहीं था? अब तो रिकमेंड हो गया है वो, कहीं AFSP गांधीनगर वाले वीडियो देख ले तो कुछ शायद मान नहीं जाए, पर क्या सही नहीं था?
Sir, they view may differ, but I am from North India. I am from Agra, so I like to have some spicy food. When I went to Gandhinagar, I found that food a bit sweeter.
गुजरात में मीठा थोड़ा ज़्यादा था।
मीठा था तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगा।
और कौन कौन से सैनिक स्कूल के दोस्त बने वहाँ?
सैनिक स्कूल नगरोटा, कपूरथला, कुंजपुरा।
अच्छा, अब एक मुद्दे की बात बताना, आफ्टर गेटिंग रिकमेंडेड और कौन कौन दोस्त बने? What about a new girlfriend in your life? अरे कैमरा होने झूठ नहीं बोलने का।
We can say that रिक्वेस्ट आती हैं, मतलब आई वुड से योर इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज होगा, तुम पे रिक्वेस्ट आएंगी।
नहीं, you are beating around the bush.
अगर जैसे पहले कोई चांस थी तो आप थोड़े चांस बढ़ेंगे, बिकॉज यू हैव समथिंग टू से, यू हैव समथिंग टू, मतलब
समथिंग एवरीथिंग गोइंग। लौंडा एनडीए में जा रहा है, वो बात हो जाती है। He got one of the what you can say colleagues, you know, came along with him in my workshop. He was from Senegal Rewari. उनके स्टेटस तुम देखते हो कहाँ कैसे क्या चल रहे हैं। चल क्या, ऑल जोक्स अपार्ट, सो ही इज बेसिकली फ्रॉम आगरा। एक चीज़ और मैं हाईलाइट करना चाहूँगा आपको, नो ऑफेंस टू एनीवन, बट बीइंग फ्रॉम यूपी, व्हाई यू वेंट टू घोड़ाखाल? कुड हैव गॉन टू लखनऊ आल्सो सैनिक स्कूल, व्हाई घोड़ाखाल? व्हाट वाज द रीजन?
सर आई थिंक वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन वाज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग अबाउट देयर इज नथिंग आई वुड से अ ग्रज फॉर सैनिक स्कूल लखनऊ, बट Sainik School Lucknow is under state government. So my father believed that Sainik School Vodakal is under Ministry of Defence, so it produces better result. And at time it was producing better results. So that
okay, it is all about choice. But let me tell you, I went to Sainik School Lucknow also. That is nowadays named on Captain Manoj
Pandey. Yes.
Pandey. That school is fantastic. मतलब वहाँ के लौंडे एकदम चटकी हैं.
Yes,
that school has also contributed a lot in I'd say NDA.
School captain got recommended with me only.
Mishra?
No. His name was, I think, Rawat something. I'm not able to recall.
Lucknow का सैनिक?
Yes sir. Sainik School Lucknow captain just got recommended with me.
कभी मौका लगे तो जाइए लखनऊ, अमौसी एयरपोर्ट से करीब 1-1.5 किलोमीटर पर ही है। That is also one of the very very good सैनिक schools I'd say. Actually वो भी बहुत पुराना सैनिक स्कूल है।
Yes sir.
It's a very old सैनिक स्कूल है, लौंडे एकदम चटकी हैं वहाँ में पूरे, ठीक है। So ये बताइए लास्ट 2 to 3 मिनट्स में रिकमेंड होने के बाद जब स्कूल आया, मुझे याद है थोड़ी लेट गया था स्कूल में, है ना? तो स्कूल में क्या खातिरदारी, किसने क्या बोला, कैसे बोला, और ऐसा कोई होता जो तुझे लगता है यार पहले ना वो अपने अगेंस्ट होता था, नेगेटिव बोलता था, बोला बेटा आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू, थोड़ी सी, क्योंकि ये जो किस्से ना ये हर सैनिक स्कूल वाले के साथ होते हैं। देखो एक बंदा जा रहा है, उसको टीचर बोलता है तू तो कभी सिलेक्टेड नहीं होगा, तू तो ये है, तो वो है, एंड व्हेन यू गेट रिकमेंडेड, बेटा मुझे पता था एक दिन तू कर लेगा। ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस हैपेंड विद यू और समथिंग?
No sir, I was the school captain, so everyone was expecting me to get recommended. So once I came back to school, I would say if juniors were having respect for me, their respect I would say increased by 2 times, because I would say there is a I would say old tradition in my school that the school captain don't get recommended in first attempt.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir. Many a times our school captain don't get, I would say, not selected in the first attempt.
ये एक्चुअली पता है, not only with you, it is happening with other सैनिक schools also.
Yes,
वो निशांत इसलिए टेंशन था.
They get recommended in first attempt but not able to go get, either they are not able to clear the exam or something like that or not.
मतलब सैनिक स्कूल कैप्टन मतलब वो एक अलग ही एक्सपेक्टेशंस बन जाती है ना, दारोमदार आ जाता है. तो समटाइम दैट प्रेशर आल्सो डजंट लेट यू.
रिस्पांसिबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाती है, तो इस कारण नहीं हो पाते. तो I got a huge respect from my juniors, and I would say I have a huge respect for my teachers as well. They gave me their blessings, and apart from that, all the officers too, they were helpful.
In fact, एक बात मैं और शेयर करता हूँ. When we were conducting the SSB workshop in Indore, we went to our GTO ground one day, and GTO ground is located some 5 to 6 kilometers from Mau. There's a cantonment area, Mau, if you have heard. तो GTO evening में खत्म होने के बाद I took these people in my car to Mau. I had one student posted there. इनका एक बहुत सुपर सीनियर स्टूडेंट है. ही इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई सुपर सीनियर जो है ना, मोहित भट्ट साहब. ही वॉज ऑल्सो माई स्टूडेंट. तो ही वॉज डूइंग वायोस. मैं इसको ले गया वहाँ. एंड कनिष्क और कौन कौन गया था, वेद, जो भी तुम 3-4 लोग थे, है ना. इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट पता है क्या था? व्हेन वी रीच देयर, मोहित इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम सैनिक स्कूल घोड़ाखाल. ही हैड हिज ओन, सम ऑफ हिज अदर कलीग्स ऑल्सो. दे गॉट टुगेदर देयर, एंड व्हेन दे गॉट टू नो दैट आवर जूनियर्स आर कमिंग, दे वर वेरी एक्साइटेड. और उन्होंने पार्टी रखी वहाँ. एक कैफे बना हुआ है शंग्रीला. एंड मजे की चीज़ पता है क्या थी यार? वहाँ बात ना पैसे की या सिर्फ खाने की नहीं होती, बात इज्जत की होती है. मतलब सीनियर्स आर फाइटिंग दैट आई विल पे द बिल, अदर इज सेइंग आई विल पे द बिल. ऑल्दो व्हेन दे क्लियर 12th क्लास, दे वर नॉट इवन इन 6th क्लास. जब वो लोग 12th में थे, ये 6th में भी नहीं थे. बट ये उनको जानते नहीं, ये मिले ही नहीं थे. बट दे ओनली न्यू आवर स्कूल स्टूडेंट इज कमिंग. एंड तब तो रिकमेंड भी नहीं होते, सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे. like my junior is coming, I'll give a party. वो जो bonding होती है just with the name, तो वो एक टेस्ट ही अलग है सैनिक स्कूल. दो इवन आई विश इन माई स्कूल डेज आई न्यू अबाउट सैनिक स्कूल, पता ही नहीं था, ठीक है. पर अब जब मैं अलग अलग सैनिक स्कूल में जाता हूँ फॉर कंडक्टिंग SSB वर्कशॉप, आई रियली एंजॉय देयर लाइफ स्टाइल, द काइंड ऑफ camaraderie that they are having and the respect they give to each other. In fact, when I go, I get a huge respect है, तो इज्जत करते हैं वो लोग, बात ही अलग है. One last question to you. You have got many of your juniors, in your Sainik School, Ghodakhal, maybe people from other Sainik School must be listening, or civilian. What you would like to advise them? 2 things. One, in context of SSB. Second, in context of becoming a good human and looking forward to make career in armed force. एक तो SSB के लिए advice, और second, कुछ ऐसा जो in general you would like to give them that you have developed and it was beneficial for you and you would like to advise them. Anything.
Regarding the SSB, I gave them advice to one of my juniors in Sainik School, but again I would like to repeat that. If in case you are talking to any junior, any classmate, try to, as far as your English is concerned, try to speak in English as much as you can. If you are not able to speak English, I would say participation is the key for improvement. Whether you know that you will win or not, but I believe that you should participate in that, because apart from participating, what exposure that you get from that particular event is, I would say, the source of key where you can gather that experience and you can do wonders in life. And in order to being a good human, I think listen to your parents, listen to your elders, listen to your teachers as well. At times, being a student, we believe that they are saying we will not listen, क्या हो जाएगा, we will look up, देखते हैं क्या होता है. लेकिन I believe if you listen to your, particularly your seniors, your elders, your teachers and your parents too, I will 100% sure that any cadet, any candidate, any aspirant who is, I would say, who is ready to join National Defence Academy, who is willing to join National Defence Academy, will surely join. Just there is a, I would say, just a change of behavior and more passion is required.
That's great. So finally we congratulate him, and this is just the beginning of the career. I am very sure in the long run you will be climbing the heights. He got recommended for Air Force, although he is joining now for Army. Actually medical में he got 1 centimeter height ज़्यादा थी, he cannot join as a pilot. But yes, he is fit for Army aviation. तो He'll be going off for Indian Army, and let's see which arms he will join. Before that, 3 years in NDA and 1 year in IMA. So we wish him a good luck, and we pray to God that he inspire many more people in the service. Wherever he go, to his jawans and to the people he'll come across. And wish you all also good luck who are listening to us. I pray to God that you all also get the success, and you also make proud to your parents in any manner, not only armed forces. Maybe if you want to join some other service, you don't make it in armed forces and you'll be going for any other service also. Still don't get disheartened. कहीं भी जाओ अपने माँ बाप को मतलब उनका सर ऊंचा रखना. That is the only point I want to see. Right? Thank you so much and wish you all the best, Aman, once again.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you all.